Have you ever wondered how amazing being in nature makes us feel? So I'm right here, lovely Sunday morning. The sun is just coming up. I found a spot right beside this tree at home, and I just wanted to reach out to all of y'all and say, at this time of lockdown when things are not usual, it's a little different, everything's become a little different. Have you been actually taking the time off and connecting with yourself, going within? Simple things in nature you could attain that. In forest therapy we use our five senses to kind of connect to the present moment, and that's so important. If you could just take time off every day, or even as you find time, whenever you have the time, if you can find a lovely spot in nature or at home, your favorite place to sit. Simple things like just starting with observing your surroundings, just looking at the different texture of trees, looking up at a tree, the branches, the leaves, the green color, observing the breeze, how it comes and how it feels on your skin, even the temperature. It's summer now in India, the temperature, how it feels on your skin. Just observing the different smells and aromas. Things I'm observing right now are these the leaves which are falling, the flowers. I'm seeing new fruits coming on the trees, and just crushing a leaf and then taking in its aroma. The amazing scents and these leaves and flowers give out. You've got to notice them. You've got to notice them. And you know um, you can enjoy a lovely snack or a picnic, you know, in nature, maybe your morning tea or your evening coffee, or, just being present. And it's very important to find an emotional, mental balance right now. And I think you can attain that by just connecting with yourself. Oh, lovely breeze, lovely morning. And yeah, so I'm saying, uh, if you have a lovely garden, you can go for a walk, go barefoot. It's very uh, relaxing, that earthing effect for your body. It's very beneficial for your body. And even if you could just find a place in your balcony to sit and observe, look at the sunrise, or observe the moon, the beautiful flowers which are coming, the birds which are coming, or I can see a female sunbird there. And guys, I just have to tell you, I find so much solace, so much peace here in nature. And it's not that this whole situation of lockdown, it kind of sometimes, you need that inner mental balance. You need it. And it's all of us go through, the ups and downs, and that's life. And nature is such a lovely therapist. It's healing, it's got your back, it's there to support you. And it's lovely if we could all spend. I really urge everyone, please spend some time in nature. Please switch off all your devices, your phones, take time off from the TV, and just spend lovely morning in nature. I've just woken up, so excuse my uh, untidiness. And just, I'm just having this lovely morning here. I'm watching the sun just coming out, and it's just amazing. I just wanted to share it with you that if everyone could just use your five senses, and connect, close your eyes, sit and connect with nature. Um, and guys, if you have a tree around you, go and hug a tree. That gives you immediate connections. So it's not something, just try it. You've got to try it. And have fun. Bye bye.